The rock star, yes. Oh yeah, yeah. They call me Eugene, yeah. Kwana is say you young microphone. What's up? What's up? Yeah, that comes. That was me. Kuami Eugene is saying that there are people in this Ghana, in this country Ghana, they know nothing about music. They know nothing, like they don't know anything about music. But then all come release the songs are. And now a bank and now there. Watch my name no hits international platforms now they do. My name no trend no. Now on what's had in a work come region as and come region it's why day and I come region name today and I come region I call you a billion and I come region a day. Oh no, come region this year on Pedamadu. Also this year on Pedamadu. So he's saying that only music experts have the right to critique his music. This is what Kuami Eugene is saying. Now, Kuami Eugene is not happy with critics of his songs who have no expert knowledge in music. Kuami Eugene, who has come under criticism on many occasions for using people's songs without their consent, told NYDJ in an interview that just as ordinary people cannot make an assessment of the work of a doctor, he finds it offensive for people who don't understand the technicalities of music to make commentary about his song. And I quote, "Sometimes people don't understand music. I don't get why someone who is a doctor and not a musician would get so mad about someone's music. We don't complain about your prescriptions because that is not my field," he said. He also added that there is even a beautician who appears on a radio show to analyze people's music. People are so opinionated that they want to share their opinions about everything. Even if they don't have anything to say. I've seen a beautician sitting on a music show as a pundit before. She is just popular, so she gets on the show and she's asked what she thinks about people's songs. He ended, and he also added that when hopefully he gets back to age 40, a lot of the backlash from people will stop because he might not be actively involved in music again. When I get to 40, seeing me will be very difficult. When I get to 40, I can stop this thing called music that I'm doing. Why do you think I am working so hard to save? By 40, you can't tell me what to do anymore. By 40, if I like, I'll play the show. If I don't like it, I won't play it. Kuami Eugene ended. And Kuami Eugene released a 5-track EP titled Afro High Life in 2021. And he's preparing to stage a concert with his label mate Kidi at the Indigo of the O2 in London. So this is what Kuami Eugene is saying. Kuami Eugene says, if you are not an expert in music, you have no right or whatsoever to criticize his songs. Hey, Ituko yo bini mama yenka. No. Huko yo bini mama yenka. No, you can't say this. The more example now the other toto there doctors, just an ordinary person with no medical background or knowledge in medicine can go to a doctor and then tell the doctor which medicine to prescribe and blah blah blah, and the prescription, to question the doctor's prescription and code of ethics. And I mean, what these doctors, when they perform surgeries or anytime there is any medical negligence, don't we say it? We say it. So as for the thing, they come Eugene. Assembly day, Rebecca. Ghana for na se men kan chiro. Yo yam na meko Ghana for na work catch up. What's the men kan chiro there? Ye beye. And some no Rebecca. Ye, we ye day, Rebecca. Nti brother. Che.